Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex Ezone 100. The Yonex Ezone 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket is an excellent choice for intermediate players or advanced beginners looking for a lighter frame that still delivers powerful performance. Weighing just 285 grams unstrung, this racket offers excellent maneuverability, making it easier to swing through the ball and generate racket head speed. Despite its lighter weight, it maintains impressive stability and control, thanks to its balanced design and quality construction. This version of the Ezone 100L incorporates Yonex's updated technologies, including the liner tech system, which optimizes string spacing for greater forgiveness on off-center hits. The isometric head shape increases the sweet spot by 7%, helping players maintain consistency even when they don't hit the ball perfectly. The racket also features vibration dampening mesh (VDM) in the handle, which filters out unwanted vibrations, providing a more comfortable and arm-friendly feel. With a 100 square inch head size, 16 by 19 string pattern, and 320 mm balance point, the Ezone 100L delivers a great blend of power, spin, and control. It's especially effective for players who like to hit with topspin or are working to add more pace to their game without sacrificing precision. The racket's lightweight frame also makes it ideal for juniors transitioning to adult rackets or for doubles players seeking fast reaction time at the net. Overall, the 2022 Yonex Ezone 100L is a versatile, comfortable, and forgiving racket that supports confident shot-making across all areas of the court. Number 2. Wilson Blade 98 V9. The Wilson Blade 98 16 by 19 V9 is a top-tier performance tennis racket designed for competitive players seeking precision, control, and feel. As part of the latest blade generation, version 9, it continues the line's legacy of providing exceptional responsiveness and stability for aggressive baseline play and net approaches. Weighing approximately 305 g unstrung, this racket delivers a solid, controlled feel that appeals to advanced players who prefer to dictate rallies with confident, well-placed shots. The 16 by 19 string pattern offers excellent spin potential while maintaining tight enough spacing for consistent control. Combined with the 98 square inch head size, it strikes a perfect balance between power and precision. The racket features Wilson's 45-degree technology, which enhances both flexibility and torsional stability, allowing for a more connected feel to the ball without sacrificing responsiveness during fast swings. The V9 also introduces improved direct connect carbon fiber handle construction, which extends into the end cap for enhanced feel and increased torsional stability. A matte emerald green finish gives the racket a bold, modern aesthetic that stands out on the court. Ideal for players who crave pinpoint accuracy, the Blade 98 V9 is suited to intermediate and advanced level competitors who rely on aggressive topspin, precision placement, and smooth shot transitions. Grip sizes 1 through 4 are available to accommodate a range of hand sizes. Overall, the Wilson Blade 98 16 by 19 V9 is a refined, tour-inspired racket offering premium control, spin, and feel perfect for players aiming to elevate their all-court game. Number 3. Head Speed MP. The Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is engineered for advanced intermediate to experienced players who value speed, precision, and a well-balanced all-court game. Positioned slightly lighter than the Speed Pro, the Speed MP, weighing around 300 g unstrung, provides easier maneuverability while still delivering exceptional control and stability for aggressive, fast-paced play. This updated 2022 model features Head's auxetic technology, which enhances the racket's feel and responsiveness by adapting its internal structure on impact. Players experience a more connected sensation with each shot, especially during intense rallies. The Speed MP's 100 square inch head offers a generous sweet spot for more forgiveness on off-center hits, and the 16 by 19 string pattern encourages excellent spin potential and shot variety. With a balance point around 320 mm, the Speed MP maintains stability during baseline exchanges and provides quick handling at the net. The thin, aerodynamic beam and graphene inside construction deliver a solid blend of power, control, and vibration dampening, making it ideal for both topspin-heavy ground strokes and crisp volleys. A sleek, modern matte black and white design gives the racket a professional aesthetic. The Speed MP is especially suitable for competitive players who prefer a fast swing, value precision over raw power, and want a racket that complements a versatile playing style across all court surfaces. In summary, the Head 2022 Speed MP is a high-performance, spin-friendly racket that delivers the speed, comfort, and control needed for dynamic and competitive play. Number 4. Babolat Pure Aero. The Babolat Pure Aero Rafa second-generation tennis racket is a performance-driven racket designed in collaboration with Rafael Nadal, tailored for players who love to dominate with spin and aggressive baseline play. This updated model maintains the explosive, spin-friendly identity of the original Pure Aero Rafa but introduces subtle refinements to enhance feel and playability. At 300 G, unstrung, the racket offers a strong balance of power and maneuverability. It features a 100 square inch head size and a 16 by 19 string pattern, perfect for generating topspin and depth from the baseline. The swing weight is slightly higher than standard Pure Aero models, providing more plow-through and stability on heavy shots. The racket stiffness, around 70 Ra, contributes to its powerful frame and crisp response. Babolat's FSI spin technology, frame-string interaction, increases string spacing for enhanced spin potential, while woofer grommet system improves ball dwell time and comfort. Unlike the standard Pure Aero, the Rafa version has a more head-heavy balance, which favors players looking to unleash heavy topspin ground strokes, much like Nadal himself. Aesthetically, the racket stands out with a bold, vibrant color scheme inspired by Nadal's energy and playing style. The aerodynamic beam design allows for faster swings, further boosting spin and power generation. Ideal for intermediate to advanced players who thrive on baseline control and want a racket that offers a blend of power, spin, and stability, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen delivers performance worthy of its legendary namesake. Number 5. Babolat Pure Drive. The Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th generation, is a versatile, power-oriented tennis racket designed for players who seek an easy-to-use frame with excellent power, comfort, and forgiveness. This particular model comes pre-strung with 16 G of Babolat synthetic gut strings at a mid-range tension, balancing control, and power for an optimal playing experience. Weighing around 275 G, unstrung, the Pure Drive 110 is lighter than the standard Pure Drive, making it ideal for intermediate players or those looking for enhanced maneuverability. Its oversized 110 square inch head size provides a larger sweet spot, which enhances power and forgiveness on off-center hits. The 16 by 19 string pattern promotes spin generation without sacrificing string durability. The frame stiffness, typical of Pure Drive models at about 72 Ra, offers a lively, responsive feel that boosts ball speed and depth, making it easier for players to hit aggressive shots. The racket's beam is slightly thicker to maximize power output, while the aerodynamic design allows for faster swing speeds, further helping with spin and control. The 10th General Pure Drive incorporates Cortex Pure Feel technology, which improves vibration dampening and enhances feel for greater comfort during play. This reduces arm fatigue, making it suitable for extended matches. Overall, the Babolat Pure Drive 110 10th Gen is a powerful, user-friendly racket that caters well to intermediate players wanting more power, spin, and comfort, with the added advantage of a larger hitting surface and a lighter frame for quicker reaction and improved playability.